Lee, grab his face and put him down to the ground, like what Jasmine does.
What are you doing? Just let them go.
Harley's the one who makes the noise.
You're done.
God, he like clenches his face. His mouth, like,
I taught him to do that with his toys. Okay, Mike, put her down.
Oh, you go crazy.
Are you crazy? Michael, put him down.
Just throw them both in the pool. I wish they could act like
Harley, stop biting.
She's not a toy.
Poor Jasmine. She's like smoked her head against the ground like that.
She's staying there. Why is she like letting him? Give him a lesson. See how she's trying to run away? Because she doesn't want to fight anymore.
I think she's fine, Mike. I think you're over exaggerating. She probably just wants him to stop biting.
Chill. Hill. Have some water.
You're right.
Have some water.
If he can't work, well, let's leave it, and everybody's okay.
Alright, he doesn't want water.